Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your Verizon physical SIM to an eSIM. The first step is to open the My Verizon app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your account information and log in to continue. After signing in, look for the Devices section in the app. Tap on it to view all the devices connected to your Verizon account. Select the device whose physical SIM card you want to convert to an eSIM. Next, choose the option called Activate or Switch Device. This will open the available activation settings for your phone. From here, select the option to switch to an eSIM on your current device. The app will now guide you through the remaining steps. Simply follow the on-screen instructions carefully. In most cases, the activation process only takes a few minutes to complete. Once the setup is finished, your physical SIM card will automatically be deactivated, and your new eSIM will become active. After confirming that your mobile service is working normally, you can safely remove the physical SIM card from your device. Thanks for watching.